Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Camry dashboard. This guide will help you access components like the HVAC box or facilitate an interior color swap. First, always disconnect the negative battery terminal to ensure safety. Utilize plastic trim removal tools to protect your vehicle's interior from scratches. Remember, you will be working near airbag systems, so proceed with extreme caution. Allow yourself plenty of time. To begin, gather your essential tools: a set of plastic pry tools, a Phillips head screwdriver, and 10mm sockets or wrenches. Start by removing the center console. This often involves unscrewing the shifter handle and lifting the console box. Next, carefully detach the lower dash trim panels on both the driver and passenger sides. Don't forget to remove the glove box and the door sills, as these often conceal additional fasteners. For the cure, combine 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of kosher salt, and 2 tablespoons of black pepper. Generously coat all salmon strips with this mixture, ensuring even coverage. Place the coated salmon in a non-reactive dish and refrigerate for 6 to 12 hours. After curing, rinse the salmon thoroughly under cold water and pat dry. Smoke the salmon at a low temperature, around 150 degrees Fahrenheit, for 3 to 5 hours until it reaches a firm, chewy texture. For the final stage, meticulously locate and remove all remaining bolts and screws that secure the dashboard to the vehicle's frame. Be vigilant for any hidden wiring, such as the automatic light sensor, and disconnect them before proceeding. Gently pull the entire dashboard assembly forward to dislodge it from any retaining clips. Finally, carefully lift the dashboard over the steering column and guide it out of the vehicle, ensuring no wires or components are snagged.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.